How to create main menu in ManyChat. So first go to your account and then just click on automation here at the left side, and then you just need to click on basic and then scroll down and look for main menu here. So just click on setup, and then from here you just need to add your menu items. Okay, just click on menu item here and then just name your item. So I'll just name this opening hours. This is just an example. And then let's say, so whenever someone clicks on opening hours, of course it will send a message saying opening hours, right? So whenever we need to set up a flow, so whenever our bot or our chat receives something like opening hours, they can send a message which is our opening hours. So just click on create new message here, and now from here just need to set up the flow. So from here just need to add in a new trigger, click on user sends a message, and then from here you just need to click on recognize. You can choose whether you want the chat to detect specific keywords or just recognize the intention of the message. So let's say we're going to detect specific keywords here. Just click on it and then just add in your keywords. So let's say I'm going to add opening here, then hours, and then closing hours, something like that, then opening hours. Okay, so next is just click on create. Okay, so next is just click on add a text here, and then just need to add your opening hours. So let's say we're going to add a sample here, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m, something like that here. Okay, next is just need to click anywhere, and then you can see that whenever this triggers, you just need our bot or chat will immediately send this message here. So just click on live and you're done. So you can also click on the preview here, so what it would look like. So we just created a new menu item on our menu. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.